In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell items on the Steam community market. Whether you're looking to clear out extra trading cards or simply earn some Steam wallet funds from items you no longer need, this process is quick and easy once you know where everything is. Follow along, and I'll walk you through each step so you can confidently list your items for sale. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the app is running, make sure you're signed in to your account. If you aren't already logged in, click the Login button and enter your account name and password. Double-check that your login details are correct before clicking Sign In. After a successful login, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage, where you can access all of your games, community features, and account settings. From the homepage, look toward the top of the window and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu containing several account options. From that list, select Inventory. Your inventory is where Steam stores all of your eligible digital items, including trading cards, backgrounds, emoticons, and other collectibles that may be available for sale. Once you're inside your inventory, take a moment to browse through your items. If you have a large collection of trading cards, it's worth reviewing them individually before listing anything. This gives you the opportunity to decide which cards you'd like to keep and which ones you're ready to sell. When you've chosen an item, click the Sell button to begin creating a listing. Steam will then ask you to set a selling price. In the Buyer Pays field, enter the amount you'd like the buyer to pay for your item. Before confirming the listing, it's a good idea to compare your chosen price with the current market value of similar items. Setting a competitive price can improve the chances of your item selling more quickly while still getting a fair return. After you're satisfied with the price, click the option to put the item up for sale. Your listing will then be added to the Steam community market. To monitor your listings, navigate to the Community tab and select Market. This section displays all of your active listings, allowing you to track their status, review pricing, and see whether any items have sold. Checking this page regularly can help you stay informed and make adjustments if necessary. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily sell eligible items on the Steam community market and manage your inventory more effectively. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Steam trading.